के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you. Nidhi, this one's for you. Tell me, what was सबसे ज़्यादा fun and what was सबसे ज़्यादा challenging during this journey of the Raja Saab for you?
So I'll start with challenging. Challenging था कि since a lot of it is VFX, a lot of it is like horror and everything, so you have to imagine a lot of things, right? सामने कुछ है नहीं, but you have to imagine that something is there, it's coming from here, it's going there. So I think challenging would be just that. But other than that, मेरी पूरी life में this was the most fun shoot I have ever had. I think our entire team, and first thanks to the director because you know he set the vibe. And it was the most comfortable, most fun shoot. जब भी shooting होता था, I was very happy. When we didn't have shooting, I was like, oh no, I miss our shoot. तो एक बहुत ही अच्छे से बनी हुई picture है. I think VFX is fantastic, CG is fantastic. There are elements like the monster and everything. So this film is amazing for kids, for everyone, for families. And I really hope that people enjoy it because it really is a multi-genre film, right, sir? And like sir said, we have the biggest set, which was like our second home. It was like a huge horror house. I think some of you all have also come there.
Yes.
Yeah, so that was a beautiful set. That was like our home. So yeah, more fun than challenging.
Oh,
yeah.
absolutely. और वो दिख रहा है. And while you guys are interacting, you know, साथ में वो भी समझ में आ रहा है. Malvika, this one's for you. Please बताइए हमें कि यहाँ challenging, fun इन चीज़ों की बात हो गई, but you know we've seen a lot of things like जो भी assets आए हैं, गाने देख लिए, ट्रेलर देख लिया, but अभी भी कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बिल्कुल छुपा के रखा गया है. So talk to us about that. Like ये वर्ल्ड में और क्या होने वाला है? Give us a sneak peek, no?
आपने सबसे ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन तो मुझसे पूछा है. अगर ट्रेलर में नहीं बताया मैं कैसे बताऊँ?
अरे रिलीज के लिए तैयार कुछ तो
बट आई विल स्टार्ट ऑफ बाय सेइंग समथिंग एल्स कि जब मुझे ये फिल्म के लिए कॉल आया था मुझे लगा था कि कोई मुझे स्कैम कर रहा था. आई एक्चुअली थॉट वाज अ स्कैम कॉल एंड क्योंकि इसकी वजह ये थी दैट आई हैड डन दिस मूवी विद तलपति विजय कॉल्ड मास्टर विच वाज अ रियली बिग हिट. एंड उसके इमीडिएटली शायद 3-4 महीने बाद मुझे कॉल आया था प्रशांत नील सर से जो कि सलार के डायरेक्टर हैं. एंड उस टाइम पे वो सलार बना रहे थे और वो कास्टिंग कर रहे थे फॉर द लीड इन सलार. So I got a call for that and I met Prashant Neel sir and it was a great meeting and because of dates or something वो workout नहीं हुई, मैं सलार कर नहीं पाई. And I got a call after 6 to 8 months after that saying that this is for a Prabhas movie. And I'm like, अरे 2 फिल्में बन रही है, one is Kalki जिसमें Deepika is there and one is Salar जो कि you know शुरू हो गई है. And I googled and I couldn't find any other movie. तो मुझे लगा पक्का someone's pranking me, someone knew कि मैं सलार करने वाली थी, so some friend of mine has decided to you know pull my leg. And then they called me to Hyderabad. I'm like अभी कोई prank को इतना तो stretch करेगा नहीं, it can't be like at some point they have to face me, right? And then they really had to convince me नहीं ये असली में एक film है and we really want to cast you and it's a leading lady and you know it's a fabulous role, please. They had to like say please come meet me. And then I went to Hyderabad, then I met Maruti sir and then I understood कि अच्छा ये उनकी अगली picture वो जो शुरू करे, they wanted me for that. So it feels like destiny to make my Telugu debut with Prabhas sir after missing out on Salar. So I'm happy I could do that because I've been a huge Prabhas fan since a long time and I'm a huge Bahubali fan as well.
Yeah, Avinash, hi.
Hello.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations. Trailers looks amazing. Song is धमाकेदार. So congratulations.
Thank you.
My question is for Vishwa sir, Garu. हर फिल्म के नाम के पीछे एक कहानी रहती है. राजा साहब is something like mesmerizing, curious. क्या कुछ है इसकी कहानी? इस नाम के पीछे क्या कुछ है? क्या कुछ और alternative titles आपने सोचे थे? टीम के साथ डिस्कस किए थे?
I think we started with having a name to start with Raja. But after a few months, we came with this title, Raja Saab. And like I explained, the story is the emotion between a grandmother and grandson, and then all the discovery what you watch in the movie.
Thank you.
And Prabhas sir is like a true Raja, na? So I think the title matches it, matches him completely. He is a Raja Saab.
पवन सर, आप संजय दत्त के साथ काफ़ी टाइम के बाद काम कर रहे हैं. सो जो पुरानी आपकी जोड़ी थी सर्किट मुन्ना और ये मुन्ना भाई के बाद दोबारा कैसा रहा राजा साहब पे?
तब भी परेशान करते थे, आज भी परेशान करते थे।
क्या परेशान करते थे तब, क्या करते थे, और अभी परेशानी और ज्यादा करने लगे हैं?
आपने मुन्ना भाई देखी है ना फिल्म? मुझे ब्लड प्रेशर इतना होता था, हंसना पड़ता था, क्या क्या नहीं करना पड़ता। इस फिल्म में भी ऑलमोस्ट द सेम है। ही इज टॉर्मेंटिंग मी। आई वोंट टेल यू मच मोर व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन because she tried to trap you, huh, into telling her. He's tormenting me. I am a psychiatrist, I am a psychologist, I'm a hypnotist. अभी hypnotist को सुला दे जो आदमी, वो संजय दत्त ही हो सकता है। वो but it is always I worked with him again recently in another film, जो जिक्र नहीं करनी चाहिए, but आगे चल के देखते मुन्ना भाई 3 बने। आप लोग थोड़ा प्रेशर डालो, राजू पे कर क्या रहे हो तुम लोग यार? बट वर्किंग विद संजू इज़ अ डार्लिंग, सबको पसंद है। लेकिन इस फिल्म में जैसे कि आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह बोला, हिज स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस इज अनपैरेलल्ड एक्चुअली। और आई थिंक दैट लुक ऑन हिम व्हेन ही कम्स ऑन टू द स्टेज टू टॉर्मेंट his grandson and me and everybody is just fantastic. Sanju is Sanju. Love you, Baba.
Hi, my name is Nishad. I'm from CNN News 18. The trailer looks amazing. The song is very, very good. Very nice. Like Nitin said, 31st ke pehle hota, so probably this would have been the party anthem for sure. That it's going to be. I have 2 questions. I'll start with Malvika. Malvika, what a year it has been for you. Thangalan with Vikram sir, Hriday Purvan with Mohanlal, and now a fabulous debut with Raja Saab in Telugu as well. What was it like for you? I mean, 3 big stars, 3 big heroes at the same time, you being the stalwart that you've been. And we saw some different side to you completely when it came to Thangalan as well. And over here, a popular heroine, and you there as a leading lady in the film. How did you probably differentiate between these characters and switch at the same time while shooting for these 3 films as well?
So one thing that I really enjoy is I feel it's a fantastic time to be an actor because the boundaries between all the industries have really blurred because of OTT, because of social media. You do a good film in any language, and if people like the film, it'll travel. It'll get a wider audience. It'll have a wider reach. And I feel like I personally love the phase I'm at in my career because I'm working with some of the biggest stars and with some of the best directors across multiple industries. Tamil, Malayalam, primarily is what I've done so far. I'm making my Telugu debut, and I'm doing a bunch of exciting things in Hindi as well. And I feel to get to work with actors like Mohanlal sir, Jian Vikram, Talapati Vijay, Prabhas sir, it's so much fun, and also to jump across genres, to work with a variety of filmmakers, to play a tribal goddess in one film, and then to play a very realistic city girl in Pune-based girl in Hriday Purvam, to now this role in Raja Saab. I like that I'm jumping across completely different characters and sort of exploring myself as an artist. So I'm glad these opportunities are coming my way.
I hope it keeps coming this year as well.
Yeah, thank you so much.
My next question is to Riddhi. Riddhi, what was your favorite moment that you cherish? Even right now, if you had to just immediately say, one moment from the set that you enjoyed in this film.
To be very honest, it's very hard to pick a single moment because I've cherished every single moment and I'm cherishing it right now. Like, look at me. But I think one of the best times we actually had was while filming Nache Nache, because we were in Greece. All of us together, we used to all sit, chill and eat together, practice dance, and it was a bit stressful because you're like, there are 3 people doing the same steps, so we all have to perfect it. And but it just felt like such a nice camaraderie in that sense that all performers trying to put their best foot forward in a different foreign land, but still, included within their own little group of production and technicians and actors. I think I felt the most connected, and to be honest, this is my personal favorite song, so listening to it and jamming onto it was probably my personal favorite thing. Thank you.
Hello Riddhi ji.